Dreams didn't make us kings. Dragons did.
Welcome back to ProjectTube, guys. If you're new here, I'm Project. A couple weeks back, I teased a House of Dragon Rings casting, and now I think we are ready with the new vacuum system. So, let's get started.
Here's a shot of the print all sprued up. I printed this in Ceretex cast resin. I'll leave a link in the description as always for the file.
I want to say a big thank you to all the people that commented on the last vacuum casting table video with all the tips and stuff. So big thank you for that. A lot of useful stuff there. On this model, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's called the straw model. I knew about it last time, but I didn't do it. And basically all it is putting either a straw or in this case wax on the inside of the flask, nearly all the way down, but not all the way down. And that just allows the vacuum to get deeper kind of into the investment and pull that air out of the void area where you're going to be pouring your metal. Now that we have all the air pulled out of the investment, we let it sit here undisturbed for 90 to 120 minutes before we start the tedious but very important burnout process. So, time to wait.
One eternity later.
One burnt out flask at 1100 degrees. You can see the little wax tubes that we put in the back are there. So I think we're ready to melt some metal. I'll put this back in the kiln to keep it at temperature, and we'll pour some metal. This casting came out perfectly. I honestly have no complaints. In fact, I think it looks even better with the polishing compound on it, like I'm showing here. It gives that black background and really makes the dragon pop. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you prefer it all cleaned up or with the polishing compound on it. As always, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time.